Yo, what's going on, guys? Going back to a brand new video. So today we're gonna be working on the G and probably both ourselves. We finally, hold on, let me focus it. We finally got this one running. That was a simple shit, just 3 fuses and a battery. And then we're probably gonna be working on that one and on the G. I was playing a little bit what we're gonna be doing, but make sure to like and subscribe. You already know how we do it. I'm probably gonna be showing new merch, or probably my first merch ever. It's gonna be probably the official, so stay tuned for it. And yeah, guys. Well, yeah, guys. Right now I'm gonna start fixing both of them because they're looking bad. I don't know if y'all can see how it is. So let's see how it turns out. Because I already got sandpaper, I got the paint, I got everything for it. So let's see. So far, that's what I'm gonna do on the G. I already kind of like painted the wheels a little bit, just a little bit, not too much, nothing crazy. But yeah, let's see what we get into. Yes, sir. Alright, guys, so far I'm working on it. I took the engine cover out. Probably gonna do something with it, I still don't know. But like I was showing you guys, y'all already see how that looks. Finna try to fix it today, cause like I was saying, we already got this Tercel fucking finally running. I was playing to it once my stepbrother gets over here. Look. So let's see what I do. Let's see what we do here today. Y'all feel? No, I'm just kidding. Make sure to like and subscribe. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna try to clean this a little bit with my degreaser, and hopefully I can make something for this, cause it's already peeling apart. So yeah, let's see what we can do. I'm gonna spray it with some of this for a little bit, let it sit there for a few seconds, and after that I'm probably just gonna spray it down and then do like a thorough clean or whatever it's called. But I'll catch you guys in about probably 1 second for you guys. Alright, guys, so now I'm finna spray with water for a little bit, and that was a blooper, fucking water's off. I'll be back in just a second. Alright, take 2, let's see. Now I'm finna spray with water for a second. After that, I'm gonna spray it again. Let's see. Alright. Just let us drop down, that's it. Nothing too special. Nothing too crazy. Gotta get in here. Sorry if I got a bad angle. I have no idea where my tripod is at. So, y'all see that color of that? Hold on. Shit. Try it again with water one more time and let us dry for a second. And then I'm gonna start, like I was saying on the other clip, working on this. Y'all see how it looks? Yes, sir. So far, I got the wheels looking kind of good. I don't know. Let's see. Alright, do you guys see this piece right here? Sorry, I'm recording on my phone now. I'm gonna try to use super glue. Try to see if it sticks. I'm gonna put the camera down real quick so I can glue it down and see. And then I gotta find the piece that goes on that side and see. So give me just 1 second, guys. Alright, so that was a fail. That didn't work. Now I gotta see what the hell I can do in there or what. And like I showed in the past video, I did this myself. It's not the prettiest, but hey, it's better than what it was looking like. Did that on the back ones. Did this new sticker. So let's see. Plus kind of painted the rims. They don't look good because I didn't even sand them, but shit, just to look a little better than what they did. I will put a picture here of how they look so y'all can see. Look, don't forget, make sure to follow me on Instagram and subscribe here. Yes sir. And little by little, getting everything ready on the G. Plus Topati, I think he's gonna do a video today on his car, so let's see. So far guys, I sanded it down a little bit and where it was worse, so I can paint it. I'm gonna show you guys the other side. So they were already kind of like looking both the same, so this is gonna take a little bit of spray and hopefully they come out good. Let's see, because most of the times whenever I do something with alright, so far I'm prepping this thing, I forgot the name of it, but I'm prepping this so I don't get a paint whenever I throw paint on here. So let's see, finna do the other side now. I'm sorry that I'm not giving you guys time lapse of it. It's just I don't know where the hell my tripod is at. Most of the time whenever I do something with spray paint, it comes out good, so hopefully this comes out good. I'm planning on the future on buying the cover of them on carbon fiber cover. I'll show you guys a picture right now here of how it looks like. So, but little by little it's coming out how it's supposed to, so let's see. So far, that's the best angle I can get. I'm finna get, you know what? I'm finna show you guys how you guys look right now. Let me get my phone real quick. Look, that's how you guys look right now. That's the only thing I can do so I can get this angle right here real quick. So at least I can give you guys a time lapse. Let's get it. Alright, we're done now. Oh shit, I'm gonna do it. Alright, let me get you guys from there, shit. You see? Just a little bit so I don't get this thing spray painted. Finna try to put something here. Something on the nut too. Let's see what we come up with. Let's see. Guys, welcome to the most ghetto thingy to just paint this. I'm finna do the first coat here without recording it because I don't want to kind of like mess up the first coat. So yes guys, stay tuned for it and let's see how it comes out. Alright guys, here's the final product, and as you guys can see, it's late. I mean, it's not late, it's just that it's dark already. So I feel like this is where today's video is gonna end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hold on. So like I was trying to say, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's a short one, but hey, just an update. And let's see, because I think today we're still gonna work on the tercel, but hopefully that's gonna be on Patit's channel. And like I said, it's early, but since here it's already getting dark, so today's video is gonna be until here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.